Today we'll be creating a many-many relationship between two objects in Salesforce. To do this, you'll need to know how to create a master detail relationship. If you don't know how to do that, check the description for a link to our video walking through it. In this example, we'll be using the object cars and the object trips. So we want to have many cars per trip and also many trips per car. To do this, you need to create a junction object, which will have two master detail relationships referencing both objects. So first, you need to create a new object. Go to Setup, Object Manager, Create, Custom Object. I'll call it Car Trip. Plural be cars trips. And create my object. Save. Then we need to add our master detail fields. So I'll go to Fields and Relationships, go to New, Master Detail Relationship, Next. First, I'll reference car. Next. Just call it car. And I'll go to next. Next. Next, and here you can select the name or the related list label. So this was what will appear on the related list for this object specifically. So for car, we want to list the trips, so we'll call this trips. Save and new. So we can jump right into creating our second master detail relationship. Next, this one will reference the other object, which in this case is trip. Next. Next. And here, we're having many cars under one trip. So we want this to be called cars. And that's it. Just click save. And now we have our relationship. So if I refresh this, I'll create some examples. Go to trip 1, related. We have our cars. I'll create a new one. I want it to be car model A. So you have to add a name. So I'll just call it model A. And this is also referencing in the other one. So I'll call model A trip 1. Click save. And just to demonstrate how there can be multiple, I'll add another one for trip 1. For model B. So now we have two cars for this trip. If you go over to cars, go to related, we can see that record is here, but now we can add multiple on this side as well. So we can have multiple trips per car. So say this car also went on trip 3. And that's it. So we have multiple trips per car. I mean multiple cars per trip. Thanks so much for watching this video. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more Salesforce cloud tips and tricks. Also, check the link in the description to subscribe to our Connex newsletter, where we curate the latest and greatest cloud content to help you become more effective and more aware of the tech that can help your business scale efficiently. Finally, if you need some support for a project or want to bounce some ideas off us, head over to our website and let us know how we can help. Thanks again for listening.